Hello everyone, this is Farouk again. So we just created an organizational unit and now we will be deleting this organizational unit that we just created. So you right click on this organization unit and you do delete and do you yes, and then you will get an error. And so what you will do is you will need to, when we create an organizational unit, in the previous video we saw there's an option protect container from accidental deletion. So we have to uncheck that here, but you don't see any option here. So what you will do is we'll go into view and do advanced features, and you see a bunch of other stuff pop up here. So we'll go to the organizational unit that we want to delete, right click, properties, and then we see a new tab here called object, and we will do protect, uncheck this, apply, okay, right click, delete, yes, and it's deleted. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.